Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Nordea BankID not working. First, make sure that your app is installed and updated to the latest version on your phone. Next, check your internet connection because your BankID requires a stable network to verify your identity. Then restart your phone and try logging in again through the Nordea app. Also, make sure to head over to your settings, go to General, and then go to Date and Time, and make sure that the phone's date and time are set to automatics in the settings. Incorrect time settings can cause authentication errors. If the issue continues, go ahead and uninstall the app and reinstall the BankID app. Then try the verification again. If it still does not work, contact your bank because there may be an issue with your BankID setup. That's how you fix the Nordea BankID not working. Do not forget to subscribe for more helpful guides.